Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll reveal a simple and powerful strategy that gets results in just 2 minutes. Watch until the end to learn this incredible method. For this strategy, we're using the moving average, awesome oscillator, and parabolic SAR indicators. You've probably worked with these before, but trust me, this method is totally different and way more effective, with an impressive 80% to 90% win rate. So, first, search for the moving average indicator and click on it. Now change the period to 6, set the color to green, and increase the thickness a little bit. Then click Apply. Next, let's add the moving average indicator again. Search for it, click on it, change the period to 16, also change the color to white, and increase the thickness a little. Once done, click Apply. Now, it's time to add the parabolic SAR. Search for it, click on it, and change the acceleration max to 0.3. Then, set the color to yellow and click Apply. Finally, we'll add the awesome oscillator. Search for it, click on it, and change the slow period to 6. Once that's set, click Apply. Now that we've added all the indicators, let me explain how the strategy works. First, look at the moving average. If the green line crosses the white line, and the market candles are placed below both moving average lines and starts to go downside, it's a bearish signal from the moving averages, but it's not enough to make a decision about the market direction. Secondly, look at the parabolic SAR indicator. If the parabolic SAR indicator shows downward pointing dots, that's another bearish signal for us. But at least 3 dots should be shown for us to enter a trade. Thirdly, look at the awesome oscillator indicator. If the awesome oscillator indicator is below the 0 line, it indicates a downtrend. So, in this position, the bearish signal is confirmed 3 times. In these kinds of times, we can open a trade to the downside. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how the strategy works. Now, let's put it into action on my IQ option. Just a heads up, I'm demonstrating this on my demo account, and I recommend you practice it on your demo account first as well. Okay. Now let's open a trade in IQ option using this strategy. Here, look, I'm opening a trade to the downside because the green moving average line crossed below the white moving average line, and the market is moving below both moving average lines. Also, the parabolic SR indicator and the awesome oscillator are both giving us bearish signals. So this is a great time to open a trade to the downside. Also remember, when we open a trade, we need to give some time to the market to move in its trend. Because the market is always fluctuating, it's important to follow the current trend. So, opening trades with very short time periods can be very dangerous for this strategy. Therefore, open a trade with at least 3 or 4 minutes of expiration time. Okay, let's wait for the result. Wow, great! We won that trade. Let's try to open a trade for one last time today. Here, I am opening a trade to the upside, because as you can clearly see, the green moving average line crossed the white moving average line and started to go above the white line. And also, the market is moving over the 2 moving average lines. Look at the parabolic SAR indicator and awesome oscillator. That both are also giving us the same bullish signal. So this is the best place to open a trade to the upside. I'll remind you again, when we open a trade, we need to give some time to the market to move in its trend. Because the market is always fluctuating, it's important to follow the current trend. So, opening trades with very short time periods can be very dangerous for this strategy. Therefore, open a trade with at least 3 or 4 minutes of expiration time. Okay, let's wait for the result. Wow, great! We won again. So, this is the strategy that I wanted to show you today. Practice this in your demo account first before you get into the real deal. Let me know how the strategy is working for you, and subscribe if you want to learn more binary option strategies. I will see you in my next video. Peace.